Hi, my name is Jeannie McGinnis, and I'd like to introduce you to Infinite by Forever Restoring Crème. Moisturizing is an essential beauty step and key in any anti-aging regime, as it hydrates the skin, giving it a taut, smooth, and youthful appearance. With over 15 skin conditioning ingredients, Infinite by Forever's Restoring Crème absorbs fast, leaving the skin feeling moisturized and smooth. This impressive cream combines skin science and aloe with powerful botanicals including acai and pomegranate. And vitamin B3 helps even out skin tone and texture. Vitamin B3, also known as niacin, can help to improve the ability of the epidermis to retain moisture and therefore reduce the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. Use daily to reinforce the skin's natural barrier, replenish parched skin, and reduce the appearance of aging. Pump once and massage gently into the face and neck in circular motions, working upwards and outwards towards the hairline to help skin appear rejuvenated. Use in the morning and evening for best results. Discover more about other amazing Forever products by watching the remaining videos in our collection.